What is up, YouTube? What is up? Chime, where's my stimulus check at? That's the question everybody been asking, right? If you guys received your first stimulus check, which was in April, meaning if you received it through Chime in April, you guys are qualified and will automatically, they're supposed to be sending them out automatically to the people, let me get this adjusted, to the same way that you got your first payment is the same way that you get your second payment. Now with that being said, Chime has just released something and they just tweeted this. You know, today's Monday. Today was an expected day that everyone's supposed to be receiving their stimulus check through Chime, through any other banks. I'm not too sure about any other banks but Chime, you know, because I received mine the first go around with Chime. Received it early, you know. You received it probably a couple days earlier than a normal than everybody else did. But this go around, there's been a lot of things in the air talking about Chime members were going to receive it Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You know, it's been everywhere. And some Chime members have received their stimulus payment. Now, if you guys received those payments, drop those comments below as well, and let me know when you received those payments, because a lot of people are saying they received it on Sundays, and I didn't even know that Chime was processing anything on Sundays. But you know, it's 2021. With the year that we had in 2020, anything's possible, people. Anything's possible. They just sent out an official tweet. I still don't believe it. You know, I still think I got something coming in tomorrow. I may be wrong, but this is official tweet from Chime. If you guys have Chime and have not received your stimulus, let me know in the comment section as well. Let me know where you're from. And you know, I'm just trying to, I'm skeptic because a lot of people have been also talking about switching banks and doing other things. So I understand it. Trust me, I understand it. I don't know exactly. This is the update as far as January 4th. I don't know what's going to happen. You know, I don't. I still expect, you know, the stimulus check to hit Tuesday. You know, I don't see why it wouldn't. But also, you could say, like, I don't see why. Like, I don't see why, what's the confusion, like, what's the mix-up, you know, like, it just send it out the same way you did the first time, you know. So I don't know what's going on behind the scenes, you know. But we're gonna get into this. Strictly from Chime. Oh, hold on. It says, if you're eligible for a stimulus payment but haven't gotten it yet, you'll likely receive a check or debit card in the mail from the IRS, even if you received the direct deposit last time. Check the IRS portal for more information. I will drop that link down in the description as well if you guys want to check that portal. You know, like I said, if you're eligible for the stimulus check, and in reality, I don't know too many who received the stimulus package, you know, stimulus check through Chime the second go around. I know a lot of people have been commenting, but it's like, I'm hearing both sides, you know, so I don't know if everybody on Chime received it, everybody didn't receive it, you know, so that's why I'm trying to get these comments and we can base it out just about that. Let's see here. I know a lot of people also been saying, you know, it's January 4th. You know, I know the IRS have been putting dates on these things. You know, a lot of people are saying their date was January 4th. I didn't receive a date, so like I said, it'll all be a surprise to me. I'm still hoping that we're gonna get something tomorrow. You know, excuse me. I'm still hoping that we get something tomorrow. I'm not too sure. If not, you're gonna have to wait on a debit card. You know, I don't know what's behind this stuff. You know what I mean? A lot of people, it's a lot of stuff behind it. I don't know why. You know what I mean? I really don't know why, you know what I mean, it's going on. You know, like I said, people were hoping for Monday. You know, a lot of people got bills. You know, you got bills to pay, you got things you got to do. You know, and it's just like one thing after another, you know what I mean? So with that being said, you know, if anybody got any updates or received their stimulus package, you know, if today's Monday, if anybody received it from Chime on Monday, drop the comments as well. You know, Alex, I don't know if Chime just said forget it, you know what I mean? I don't know if Chime just said, hey, they know that from the get-go. You know, now that brings up more questions, because you got the $200 spot me feature that was handed out, you know what I mean? So are they gonna reverse that, or what are they gonna do now? You know what I mean? Because if that's the case, people are still out there with the spot me features of $200 and still don't know, you know what I mean, exactly what to do, or like I said, if they're not gonna get it, how are they gonna pay it back? You know, so that's either putting people in another hole, you know, and then trying to get the money off the debit card from the IRS. So it's just putting people in the hole. I was gonna try to get some more information for you guys, but I'm gonna try to put as many updates as I can on the screen for you guys. That way you guys can be updated. You know, by the time this video come out, if you guys have any new information regarding this Chime, the stimulus package, like I said, I'm still hoping maybe any second, literally, you know what I mean? But Chime, with that official statement, they said that if you have your stimulus, as I read, you know, you may get a debit card or, you know, something in the mail. But check that portal. I know before it wasn't open. It's open now. I just checked mine and I don't have any updates, you know, so I really don't know once again, I don't know what to think, how to think. I'm still in the process. I'm still in the mindset of thinking hopefully it's going to come Tuesday. You know what I mean? Hopefully just through the grace of God, through the grace of whatever, everybody just be cool. Everybody's gonna get their stimulus. Everybody be happy because, you know, we don't need any more extra stuff. You know what I mean? It's already a hassle. People already needing their money. They're short on bills, late on bills, and now having to wait probably, let's be real, probably another 4 to 5 weeks. You know, they're not just gonna send this stuff straight out. They should, but they're not just gonna send it straight out. You know, so with that being said, if anybody wants to sign up with Chime, you guys can still use my card. They're giving out $75 just for downloading the application. Link your direct deposit of $200. You know, you'll get $75. Savings account, build your credit. You know, get paid 2 days earlier. Some people get paid 4 days earlier. It just all depends on the layout of how you get paid, the structure. If, you know, the payroll submits it at this date, so you'll get paid earlier. No problem, you know, but the stimulus checks, if you guys got any updates, you know, drop the comments below. I'm what's the word, you know, I'm open-minded, you know what I mean? I'm open to see like what's going on, you know. I don't know if is it just me, you know what I mean, people getting, you know what I mean, not getting their checks, what's going on. But also I know people are getting hacked as well, so I don't know if that may play a factor as far as why is Chime doing this. Is it Chime's fault? Is it the IRS? You know, there's a lot of good questions we should ask, because at the end of the day, you know, the American people need your money. You know what I mean? You need your money, and they increased the spot me. So if you guys get that increase for the spot me, and if you guys got any other questions regarding that, as I mentioned before, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe for the latest content ever, especially when it comes to Chime. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you.